Hello, in front of me I've got SONY XPERIA 1, 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can manage image quality settings. For example, we can enable or disable creator mode, real-time HDRI drive, standard mode, auto creator mode, and video image enhancement. Next we can change white balance between manually and automatically, and we can enable or disable high refresh rate. Then we can go to brightness level and enable it manually or via automatic brightness. Then we can change font size, display size, enable or disable dark theme, change lock screen preferences. For example, we can manage ambient display, select when to show ambient display between always on, smart activation, show when device is lifted or off, enable or disable new notifications, set sticker, or enable or disable music information. Next we can select clock on the lock screen, enable or disable tap to show lock screen, wake up display on key press, keep notifications, and also we can select to show all notification content on or don't show notification at all. Then we can set sleep between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, side sense, and also we can adjust it. One-handed mode, smart backlight control, night light, prevent accidental operations with screen off, and in the end we can set screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.